Hi ladies and gentlemen, just now I was sharing with you Masterpiece Golden Rules of Success. Now I want to share with you principle number 6. Principle number 6. What is principle number 6? Success starts with small steps. Success starts with small steps. So when you have 1,000 things that you want to do, big and small, I always recommend people start with something simple, easy and small. Simple, easy and small. For instance, you wake up in the morning, today you have a goal, you want to clean your kitchen. Get it done. Because you know you feel very happy. You feel very proud. When you see the clean kitchen, after you spend half an hour, you feel so excited about your kitchen. And today I want to congratulate you if you have cleaned your kitchen, because it's just one task. But don't you think that we are all animals of habits? When you get one thing done today, and you will try to get the second thing done tomorrow, which is the next day. So tomorrow when you feel and when you think of something new, no more the kitchen, maybe you want to clean the toilet. So this is another thing to do, another place to clean, which is the toilet. And if you get it done tomorrow, you feel excited again. On the third day, you may want to clean, say, a storeroom. You want to spend 1 hour to clean your storeroom. And then there you are, after 1 hour, your storeroom is clean. And you are very happy now because you have a more tidy and well-organized storeroom. So when you continue this habit of performing one new activity or one new task a day, you are actually fixing one problem a day. And without you knowing and without you realizing, you actually clear 365 problems out of your life. You may not realize it, but after a year, you see that, wow, actually I fixed so many problems, from toilet to having a better life, from not having money to having some money in investment, from becoming obese to losing some weight. You can use this simple formula, which is clear one small task each day. And if you use the same formula, you can actually solve many problems. Recently, I dropped by somebody's house, and according to the house owner, he told me for a very long time he wanted to renovate his house. When I arrived at his house, I could see the front roof was already leaking, and he told me he was dreaming about building another extension room. And I asked him, how long have you been thinking about doing this renovation? He said, when I have the money. When I have the money, I will renovate my whole house. I said that will require quite a bit money, right? And he says, yes, minimum about 50,000. I say, why not you use my formula? Because my formula do not require 50,000 ringgit. My formula just require 5,000 or 10,000 ringgit. Then I showed him how I renovate my house. I say I never renovate my house at once. I do room by room. I do part by part. I do the backyard, then I do the car porch, I do my gym room. So I do room by room, one by one. This simple formula really surprised him. Then I asked him, what is the size of the extension room you want to have? He says, well, it's just for one room. I say, if you have a budget, you can just do one simple room. It may just cost you 10,000 ringgit for the roofing and the cement wall. That simple idea, you can get started anytime. You don't have to be waiting for 50,000 to renovate the whole house, because that will require more money and more time. So ladies and gentlemen, I drew a simple building plan for him. I handed over to him. I showed him how I do my car porch, how I did renovation for my extension room in my house. And he felt very confident that he could also follow my formula. Because I said to him, you don't have to be waiting for 50,000. You can do it right now. You can extend the roofing. You can do the brick wall. You can install the windows. You can install the new door, and you can get the room done in 1 month's time. There you are, you have a new room extended from your current house. Simple formula. Ladies and gentlemen, what would you change in the next 1 month? What would you change in the next 30 days if you can just solve one problem a day? What do you want to see better? What do you want to see new? What do you want to restore? I'm asking this question to you because I am very confident that everyone, including you, can fix one problem a day. And if you can do one problem a day, you can do one problem every single day. You can solve 365 problems in 1 year without you realizing it. My name is Jackson Ng. I'm the author of this book, and I hope you learned something from my video. And if you like my video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.